Hey guys, Jordan here. Today I'm going to show you how to import presets into your Lightroom. So let's go ahead and jump over here into the computer. So first things first, you'll want to download the presets. I have the presets right here on my desktop. I have 4 presets in a folder titled presets. Now next you're going to want to open Lightroom. So we'll go ahead and open Lightroom. And you'll also want to make sure that you have at least one picture in your library, because if you go to the development tab without a picture, sometimes it won't allow you to add or remove presets or mess with them. So anyways, so what you'll want to do is go to the develop tab, and over here, I think by default they're pretty much almost all closed up. You can open up presets right here, and there's actually no users. So this is like a fresh install of Lightroom. What you'll want to do is go to this plus button right here and go to import presets. And now what we're gonna do is go to the desktop and find the folder where you saved all the presets, and then go in. I'm gonna select them all and click import. All right, and now we have these user presets loaded up here. So that's pretty straightforward on how to load up presets. If you guys have any additional questions on how to load presets into Lightroom, feel free to reach out, and we'll see you guys on the next one.